Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and I have a very fresh, very new suggestion for Huang Xiaoyun, my friends. I missed to listen this beautiful, talented lady. She is looking like a fantastic character from fantastic novels. She is always so pretty and she is always amazing talented. Today we are gonna listen her duet and she's gonna sing with Zhang Xinzhe. If I'm not sure how I can read his name, but Zhang Xinzhe, if it's wrong, please correct me. Okay, let's start this video.
美好即将开启，出发！
It started very mysterious. It started very fantastic again. Huang Xiaoyun. Look at her. She's really beautiful lady. She's very beautiful. She is very talented. She is an amazing artist from China. She is a young star and I love to listen her. Okay. Okay.
你的轮廓在黑夜之中淹没，看桃花开出怎样的结果？看着你抱着我，目光似月色寂寞，就让你在别人怀里快乐。
It's sounding like a TV series music, my friends. It could be very fit for a TV series. It's feeling like nostalgic. It's feeling like traditional Chinese music as always, and it is sounding so beautiful. I think this is my first time to listen Mr. Zhang, Mr. Zhang, if I pronounce correctly. Yeah, I think this is my first time, and Huang Xiaoyun, so beautiful, very beautiful performance together.
爱着你像心跳难触摸，画着你画不出你的骨骼，记着你的脸色，是我等你的执着，你是我一首唱不完的歌。
Beautiful. In this part, Mr. Zhang's voice is sounding very high note, right? His voice is sounding very interesting, and this is a perfect match with Huang Xiaoyun, especially in this part. I like that. I like their collaboration in this part. He's making a beautiful sport here, And after this beautiful sport, he's going that high notes himself. Let's hear that. I love this moment. Is it live, by the way? She's singing like that. It is not live. Huang Xiaoyun, she's looking like very relaxed. She's looking like very calm. It is looking like that lip syncing, but it must be live, right? It must be live singing. Because she's singing very interestingly. She's looking very relaxed. How is this possible? I'm not sure. Let's continue. Look at her. She's looking very relaxed. That she's looking like that she's not spending any effort in this performance. Beautiful performance. Bravo. This is an amazing performance, my friends, and I have to say that Mr. Zhang's voice was very surprising for me. I was expecting more deep voice from that man, but his voice was very gentle, very high note, very interesting for me, but so beautiful. Very gentle, very calming, and especially with Huang Xiaoyun, it's a perfect match. They sang so beautiful together, so beautiful performance together. And of course our beautiful talented girl, Huang Xiaoyun. This is an amazing performance of her also. Thank you, Bernard, for this beautiful suggestion. Thank you, my friends, for watching it with me. Together they sang a song, but I don't know the name of the songs. I have no idea. Thank you for watching it with me, my friends. I'm waiting if you have information about which song they sang together. You can write at the comments. Have a nice day, take care of yourself, and let's see you in the next videos. Bye bye.